What's up? Danny Hisaki with Colonique, helping people do their business better. And today we have the brand new Poly 7300 series wireless headsets. All right, and this is a DECT 6.0. What is the Savi 7300 series? So the Savi 7300 series is a new range of ultra secure wireless DECT headsets designed to connect to a computer and a desk phone. So previously, Poly had the CS500 series, and now their new Savi 7200 series that allowed you to connect to a desk phone. This fits in between the 7200 series and the 8200 Office series. It is USB-A. I don't see any USB-C. It does have UC and Microsoft Teams variants. But anyway, let's get into it, because why is this important? This is going to address key industries like financial industries, your government industries, healthcare, contact centers, anywhere where there's sensitive private information that's being transmitted over voice. Probably want to go with a Savi 7300 series, and this is why. The Savi 7300 series Office series headsets are designed to meet the highest level DECT Security Step C enhanced military level FIPS 140-2 listed features, such as 256-bit AES encryption. Unfortunately, that's not something I'm going to be able to test here because it's just me. I don't have tons of people around me. If we were back in the office, it'd be a different scenario. But here at home, I can't test that. What I can test is I can test the audio quality, and I can test the range within my home office. And there are currently 4 different variants: single ear version and the dual ear version in UC, and again Microsoft Teams variants. They do have a 2-year warranty in terms of wireless range, line of sight up to 590 feet or 180 meters. Does it have active noise canceling speakers? No, they do not. Talk time, you get a whopping 13 hours of talk time. Noise canceling with acoustic fence technology, and again, we'll do all the normal tests that we normally do with that. And you can manage this via Poly software, I believe Plantronics Hub for the moment. The MSRP of the monaural version of this, the single ear version, is $399.95. The dual ear version coming in at $419.95. That's a lot of information, but what you're here for is how does it sound and how far can I go? We're doing that next. All right, so as usual, before we do anything with any of these Poly devices, like to ensure that it is up to date. So you go into general and you have the ability for audio sensing, auto answer, no sensor, answer call alert, mute on off alerts, mute reminders, audio channel tone, close conversation limiting. So right now it's set to best audio. Or open office. You know what, let's go ahead and I'm gonna leave it at best audio, and then we'll mess with it a little bit. You have ringtones and volumes. You have bass ringer volume, so you can have the ringer on the actual bass alert you. Range, I'm gonna have it set to high, but you can decrease the range to lower medium. But right now, again, I'm gonna leave it on high. I just always want to show this first before we get into the actual tests. All right, so we're back, and the first test we're going to do is type test. Now talking and typing, talking and typing, talking and typing. All right, so here is the volume. I got my handy dandy decibel reader here. But let's get this guy up high. All right, so now I've switched it over. It's on my left side now. That's still super sky high.
Cold cuts are bologna and turkey breast. I personally like it.
All right, we're talking about cold cuts over here. Let's test the range. Let me pull this guy off of here. And I don't know what's going on out there, so please, excuse anything. So here is 12 feet. And out to my kitchen area is roughly 20 some feet or so. And there's a TV on out here too, so that's actually a good thing. So see if it blocks it out. But anyway, I'm going to try to head outside. And so up to here to my door is roughly 50 feet or just over 50 feet in my house. And so I'm stepping outside.
God, I love Florida. It is so gorgeous out here in Florida. Oh, there's some wind blowing. I haven't gotten any audible anything. Let me head back inside. All right, so I haven't heard anything telling me that I'm disconnected, so I don't know if I am or if I am not. So let's head back into my office and see see what's up. There is overview of the Poly 7300 series. Security is really important. If you want more information, we're going to put links in the description box below. If you'd like to set up some sort of proof of concept or pilot, feel free to reach out to us. We will engage with the appropriate Poly reps. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment below, let us know what you'd like to see, and we'll do our best to make it. Thanks.